Hi everyone, this video is very special. In this video I will be sharing you the top 16 clean Luts. So guys, hopefully you all enjoy this video. This package's download link in my video description box. Click the download link and full enjoy. Also guys, you can press the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. It's my humble request for you. Okay guys, I will provide you two project file, one Premiere Pro and one After Effects. Right now I am opening Premiere Pro. Okay, go to Essential Graphics. Now add your Luts. If you want to edit this Luts, you can do this also here. Also, I will provide this front link. So guys, hopefully you all enjoy this video. If you are not subscribed Progress Videography, I definitely suggest that you subscribe Progress Videography and press the bell icon. So guys, see you tomorrow. Have a great day.